chemistry.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we are gonna be doing braids. I'm so sorry for the noise in the background, but I wanted to come on here and record this part so that I don't I want to come on here and record this part of my hair because I'm almost done. I just got this side. Well, I got like one row on this side to do, and then I just got the top right side to do. So I want to come on here and record this part for you guys and show you guys how I'm doing it. So far it's coming out cute. This is how long it is. This is how long it is. Let me stop. So this is the hair. So this is the hair that I'm using. It is from Lulutress. It's the French wave, and it comes with 3 bundles, and this is already 3 packs of hair. So you basically need like 4 packs to get this look. It don't look cute right now, but best believe it's gonna look fire. I mean, as you guys seen in the beginning of this video, it looks fire. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using this hair, and the way I prep this hair is I put it on my mirror, my 360 mirror. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this before. Everybody, like, you know, raves about these mirrors. So what I do is put like the hair on top of them. It's a little dirty right now, but I put the hair on top of the mirror so that it's already sectioned. And yeah, this is like the 3rd day of me doing my hair. I didn't do my hair yesterday at all, which I should have. I would have finished it yesterday, but you know, I was tired. I didn't feel like doing my hair. So this is basically like a 2-day process. Yeah, I didn't really like braid all the way down. I left the curls at the bottom out, and towards the bottom I did glue like pieces of it, but then like towards the top I stopped gluing it because I ran out of glue. So it's okay if you want to glue it, you don't have to glue it, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be doing the top. Actually, I'm gonna be doing, because I have this side left to do. I have this row on this side, and what I'm doing is basically doing like 6 rows on each side. So I'll do 6 here in the middle, and then 6 here, and I did 3 and then in the nape. But yeah, I already like sectioned this part. So yeah, I'm about to just show y'all how I prep the hair. Yeah, and by the way, this hair doesn't tangle. This hair does not tangle from what I experienced. I had 1 piece that tangled, but that was it. Like out of the whole pack, 3 packs of hair, it did not tangle, not 1 bit. So yeah, I got the color 4 just so that it can blend in with my hair, because if I got color 1, I feel like 1 or 1B, I feel like that'd be too dark and it wouldn't blend. I would have to tuck my color in. So in order for me to blend it like really well, I got the color 4 so that, you know, the colors will blend together and it'll be like kind of like a highlight in my hair or something. But yeah, so this is what I have left. I have 3 bundles left. This should, you know, last me for like this section. Hopefully I don't have to get more hair, because I've already used 3 packs of hair. I used 3 packs of hair already. So this is the 4th pack, and I'm gonna show you guys how I separated. This is the hair. So the way the hair comes, it's already separated into different sections, as you can see, like this. What I do is separate each one like that. I separate it in half like that, and then I just put it on my mirror, and I'm just gonna keep doing that for the rest of the hair. You just separate it, and for each braid I use 4 of these just to make it look thick and, like, you know, full-ish. I use 4 for each braid. The way I did this, I didn't do it knotless because the hair is kind of silky, so because I don't want it to come out. I did it the regular way, and so I do have knots at the root. As you guys can see, I do have some knots, but I did it kind of small.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.